Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cybersecurity with resilient systems, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current cybersecurity posture. Identify key assets that need protection. Perform a risk assessment to understand potential vulnerabilities. Analyze previous security incidents and breaches for insights. Develop a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy based on your findings. Include both preventive and responsive measures in your strategy. Create an incident response plan outlining clear roles and procedures. Implement a layered security approach, combining multiple security measures. Invest in robust firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Utilize encryption to protect sensitive data at rest and in transit. Regularly update and patch all software and systems to mitigate vulnerabilities. Conduct employee training sessions on cybersecurity best practices. Encourage a culture of security awareness within the organization. Implement access controls to limit data access to authorized personnel only. Use multi-factor authentication to enhance user verification. Regularly back up critical data and test the recovery process. Monitor your systems continuously for any unusual activity. Establish strong vendor management processes to assess third-party risks. Conduct periodic audits and assessments of your cybersecurity measures. Engage with cybersecurity professionals for advanced threat intelligence. Stay informed about the latest security trends and threats. Adapt your cybersecurity strategy as needed to address evolving threats. Foster collaboration between IT and cybersecurity teams for better alignment. Utilize automation tools for threat detection and response. Evaluate the performance of your cybersecurity measures regularly. Document all processes and procedures for future reference. Encourage feedback from team members to improve your protocols. Remember, resilience is key to effective cybersecurity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.